Alright, so what we got here is a 1300 Volkswagen motor out of the car. We're running it on it's a remote gas tank with the fuel line coming up to the filter in. We got our car battery right there. Here's the back side. Here's the oil starter. Battery cables going to the battery. And we have a leak. We have a leak going on. So everybody says that this leak is caused by the head studs being loose. So I'm going to show you what the leak looks like while the engine's running. We'll go from there. So we are hooking up power because I don't have a tester built yet. So we're hooking up power to the ignition, to the coil, which gives power to the coil, to the shutoff, and once I turn it over, it should spark and start, hopefully. Alright, we're checking the torque on the head bolts, or head studs I should say. I already went to 7 foot-pounds, which is what it said, and this bottom corner was loose at 7 foot-pounds. So now, and then it says high torque is or final torque is 23 foot-pounds. So let's see what happens here. Very loose. Very loose. Do it again. I think that's where our problem is. Let me turn the motor around. Very loose. Very loose. Very loose. Very loose. All right, I think that was our problem, our head studs. I'd like to put this back together and run it, but I did find a broken valve spring. I don't know if you can see that. You can see how easy it compresses. There's no way I should be able to compress that. The spring's broken. See the crack? I may put this together just to see if it doesn't smoke anymore or leak oil, but just wanted to show everybody how there's a lot of videos out there showing or saying, hey, tighten up your head bolts, but that's what you see. If it was in the car running, you'd see this puffs of exhaust coming out and engine oil leaking out. So hopefully this helps.